We're in the hallway at the Hampton by Hilton in Parsippany, New Jersey. We have some former Dovers modded by probably Excelsior. DCs have Dover traditional. Speakers are built. These are nice. One. Awesome sauce. Smells like eggs in here. Here are one. Going up. Have 6. Which floor?
2.
2.
Thank you. Oh, they have a party in there this night.
Awesome sauce in the door.
Uh-huh.
These are tractions. There you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. You
too. Have a good morning. Door close button works. It's our SPF. Let's ring the bell. Four. Now, let's ride the other one. Say it's down to 2 and ride the other one. Let's try and get the right car now. I just finished the left car. There's the ice machine. Now I got this one. 1. LOL. Here are 1. Head up.
Yes.
Go 6. Which floor?
2, please.
2.
Yeah. Thank you.
About 2.
2.
Thank you.
Level 2. Here we go. This one says LOL on the door.
Thank you.
There you go.
We get out.
Bless you.
There you go.
Thank you. You're a great elevator hostess.
Thank you. Have a good morning. LOL. These are fast. Here are 6. Let's head back. Ring the bell. 4. It's a nice elevator. EPCO CircleLine, seen South Hills Village. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Control panel. Going down.
Sorry. Yes, thank you.
That's it.